thank you for tuning in. Welcome, welcome, welcome if you are a new viewer. And I'm telling you, you should stick around for the best wig reviews on affordable lace front wigs, human and synthetic. Go ahead and hit that subscription button and then hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. And so I just want to say to my returning viewers, I love you. I'm blessed to have you. And I appreciate you subscribing and continuing to watch my videos. Okay, now we got all that out of the way. So this video is brought to you by SAMSBEAUTY. So thank you to SAMSBEAUTY for sending me over this unit to do a review for my lovely viewers. Okay. So today's wig, the brand and the line is familiar. So it's another OUTRE wig. As much as I complained about the first Swish U wig, I went and got another one for y'all. Cause this style is so bomb. Okay, if you can remember, I reviewed Riley, and I'll post her above. You know, post her up there, or up here. I think it's up on this side. So I reviewed Riley, and I did not like the fact of the whole W, and I just said it was dumb. If you're gonna make so many parts in the wig, you need to just make a lace front unit, lace frontal unit. And I still feel the same way, sis. I still feel the same way. But this style is so bomb, and it screams Tanya. It screams me, okay? It screams me. So yeah, we want to go ahead and review her. So I got her in the color DR4/27613. So what that means is DR4, so dark root 4, and it's mixed with 2733. I mean 27 and 613. I think it gives it a nice, like, highlighted, realistic look and effects. The hair is very much like a silky yaki. You can put heat on these units up to 400 degrees. And of course, the cap construction is the same as the first one I reviewed. It has the W, so it has a U parting back, probably like right around there. Then it has another U parting in this area with a part down the middle. Okay, it also comes with lace in the back, just so if you want to put the unit up, you can. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 combs in the front and a comb in the back with adjustable straps. And it also comes with tabs, that way you know where the parting is. Y'all, I did not predict that I was going to cut my hair. I just kind of did it. I always do stuff like that randomly. And I bought a fro attachment for a ponytail, and yeah, I'm about to sell that. That's gonna get sold. Okay, this is the most going to the style. I'm not playing with this. Okay, so she's really long. Woo, she's like 20 something, 30 inches, I think. This hair is really, it's not bad. It's not tangly or anything. I'm not gonna, you know, it would have been nice if it was Jackie, but it's not. But it's cool. We're not complaining, sis. No, we're not gonna complain too much. I didn't really let it comes a lot of baby hairs. My baby hairs, I'm not cutting my, I had this issue where I used to cut my edges. Okay, don't make fun of me, okay? My edges come down a little bit too low on the sides, and I was cutting them joints back, but I'm embracing them, and they're growing back in. So I'm not putting it down anymore, my edges. If the wig don't come over my edges, I'm not laying the baby hairs, and I'm not cutting my baby hairs. So too bad, sis. Oh gosh, but this is a cute style if that's what you're going for. That's not. I'm not 22 anymore. Okay, I can't do that little ponytail, but that's what I do with my babies, you know, and I'm not a kid anymore. So I had the part in the wrong area. So okay, we're gonna do her like this. You can shift the wig, however, I mean, let me see how far down the part is. I mean, the part is here, sis. Why would you shift the wig? What sense is the shift for? Okay, that's what I'm trying to figure out. Cause I'm feeling for the wig right now. So if the wig, look, it's not, why would you even advertise that you can shift the wig? That's what it looks like. They advertise that you can shift the wig. Why, sis? You don't need to. There's parts here. Just wear the wig normal. As far as this shedding, it's very minimal shedding. I'm gonna go ahead and just flatten this out a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna comb her out a little bit better. And I like this wig how it is. I don't like the wig for what it's supposed to be doing, like with the whole vixen parts. I don't like the wig for that, okay? I think it's pointless. However, I do like the wig for the style. The style is bomb AF. This style is bomb, y'all. So I like the wig for the style. I do suggest you purchase it for the style. This color is so nice. I love that it fades. I love the fading effects. Do you think that the vixen lace Swish U vixen lace situation is necessary? I don't. Let me know in the comments down below. Hashtag unnecessary. Okay. And yeah, tell me what you think about this color, because I'm loving this. This is like a good summer color. I think I will definitely wear this during the summer. I think I'll be wearing this one during the summer. Yeah, this color is perfect. I think now I really want to get more of the DR427 613s. Anyways, guys, I love you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. You can also go ahead and follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description box below. Okay, love you.